Do you know you can unsend an email on Gmail? Let me show you how. First, go to open Gmail on your web browser. Go to the gear icon at the right top. Click on See All Settings. Under the General tab, look for Undo Send. Choose your cancellation period. You can get it to 5, 10, 20, or even 30 seconds. I recommend 30 seconds so you have more time. Scroll down to the end of the page. Click on Save Changes. Now, whenever you send an email, which I'm going to do right now, you will see an undo button pop up at the bottom left of your screen. Just click undo, and within the time limit, your email will be unsent instantly. And that's it. No more accidental emails. Subscribe for more quick and easy tech tips like this. Thanks for watching. Bye.